Money. Hey, I'm going to the club tonight. My new best friend right here. And then my friend.
Entertainment every day, all day. We live and die by this shit, yo. This is what we do, and this is what we do best. MIA 305. That's why I love you, baby.
Yeah, buddy. All the cars ain't here right now, but I'm gonna take you around. You feel what I'm saying? We got the bikes over there, disappearing and shit. I ain't walking all the way over here. Got these motherfuckers over here. They shit's alright, you know what I'm saying? But this my shit right here though. You know what I'm saying? This is my baby right here.